Hello, native friends and family. Today we are going to learn these English informal and formal words. Okay, live, recite, live, recite, guachenga, help, assist, assist, look, begin, commence, took or took, finally, eventually, men joke, stop, cease, capture, stop, cease, capture, need, require, men gorke, need, require, need, require, men gorke. Here we have others. Rich, wealth, riang, rich, wealth, riang, but however, dung ni o, but however, dung ni o, put in, insert, less nearage, put in, insert, less nearage, keep, preserved, tower or article, keep, preserved, keep, preserved, tower, article. We have anyways, nevertheless, anyways, nevertheless, shangnimo, anyways, nevertheless, shangnimo, go ahead, proceed, wirkawa, go ahead, proceed, wirkawa, make up, in vain, make up, in vain, mishalat, or you can say door mishalat, in vain, make up, in vain, mishalat, give up, quit, pele, mi peli door, give up, quit, pele, give up, quit, pele. Today we learn 14 informal and formal English words. I will read them again. Live, recite, help, assist, begin, commence, finally, eventually, stop, cease, need, require, rich, wealth, but, however, put in, insert, keep, preserved, anyway, nevertheless, go ahead, proceed, make up, in vain, give up, quit. Please try to share it with others and do not forget to subscribe to NewTube. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.